Well, hello, creative writing students. I have missed you all a lot. And it's really weird how we don't want to go to work, we don't want to go to school, all we do is complain. And then when we can't go, it's devastating. So I really, really hope that I get to see you guys again this semester, and I hope that all this chaos will calm down. And most of all, I hope that you guys stay healthy and safe. So I truly do miss you guys, and I hope that we get to see each other again in person very, very soon. I have prepared this presentation for you because I wanted to give you an overview of how the class is going to run. This week is a little unusual. I have 2 screencasts instead of 1. Normally there will only be 1 screencast each week explaining the assignments. But I wanted to start off by explaining to you guys how the class was going to run. So I'm going to talk to you guys, give you a little hello, which I've already done, talk to you guys about what dual credit means now, attendance, how we're going to count that, the assignments that we're going to have, the class format, and contact information. So welcome. The teachers worked really hard last week building a new vision for you guys, what we're going to do with our classes now that they are moving solely online. So I hope you guys will benefit from this, and I hope you guys will take part in these learning experiences that we have prepared for you. So just an overview, you guys should have already seen these, but this is your class schedule overall. Notice our 3rd hour class is meeting from 10 to 10:30. So that is when we'll make our contacts. You need to make contact with your teachers, not just me, but all of your teachers. For me, in order to make contact, you either do that through Zoom Live, turn in assignments, or send me an email, and those will count as your contacts. Dual credit. So how is this going to work for dual credit kiddos? Dual credit is still available through State Fair Community College. They have also gone online for all classes, and they're going to begin that this week as well. So in other words, we are aligning perfectly with what State Fair Community College is doing, so we will continue on with the dual credit as planned. Attendance for this class. Our scheduled time is 10 to 10:30 Monday through Friday, so I will be available on Zoom Live during those times. Guys, this meeting time is optional, and there will not be official lessons through Zoom. However, I will be available to answer questions live during this time, so just pop on. If you have questions, you can share screens with me if you want to. If you'd like me to look at your projects and see how things are going. It's a time to help you at your discretion, so it's kind of like a writing lab, so to speak. You will also receive attendance credit for submitting assignments on a weekly basis. And more details will come each week on what those assignments will be. And then emails are another way to gain attendance credit. So anytime you email me, I will document that, and you will receive credit for contact. Assignments. What in the world are we going to do now? Basically, things are going to stay very similar. We were already working on an electronic portfolio, so that will continue on. I will load all assignments for the week on Monday, and they will be due in your live binder by 2 p.m. on Friday. There will still be a daily free write. However, they will all be loaded on Monday and due on Friday. So you have the entire week to complete all 5. There will not be sentence corrections anymore or grammar practice on Friday until we return to face-to-face instruction. In order to meet dual credit requirements, the assignments they must go on. So you will still need to write the rough draft of a children's story, 5 poems, a journal article, and then we'll need to finalize the electronic portfolio. We will not have exercises from the Red Book again until we return. Class format. So there will be a new screencast, just like this one, posted every Monday in Google Classroom that explains the tasks for the week. Any supportive materials will also be posted in Google Classroom to help achieve those weekly goals. So PowerPoints, Google Docs, any kind of material that will help you, I will also post every Monday. Also examples of model work. I will be live on Zoom Monday through Friday from 10 to 10:30 to help with any questions or concerns that you have. And then you can also email me questions, and I will respond to those within 24 hours. This is the unit outline for the remainder of the semester. We will start this week with the story pitch presentation, and more details about this are available in the weekly screencast, so just switch screencasts and look at what the normal weekly screencasts look like. Next week, we're going to write your children's story, but we are not going to be publishing these on Story Jumper anymore. You're just going to write a rough draft of a children's story, and more details will come the week of April 6th to give you information on how to do that. How do I turn in my work now? Basically, it's the same as we were doing before. Everything goes in Live Binders. The assignment descriptions will be in Google Classroom, but everything is turned in through Live Binders because we are using these to build your digital portfolio. Contact information. If you guys need to get a hold of me at any time, you may do so through Zoom. That we will use the same link every day, so that link will be in Google Classroom and it will remain consistent through the rest of the semester. You can also contact me through email as well. And then just some kind of information that might be of relevance to you guys. These are some hotlines and some ways to contact people about any concerns that you might have: food services, technology, education, or general troubleshooting or questions. So guys, if you have any questions or need anything, please use these avenues to get your answers. And this is a virtual spirit week, so get in the spirit. Take some pictures of yourself doing some different things Monday through Friday this week. Submit those pictures to the district Facebook, and also for the yearbook as well. Mrs. Allen would like those for her yearbook. So Monday, today is Miss You Monday. So tomorrow is Tuesday Tales, Wednesday is Workout Wednesday, and Thursday is Thoughts on Thursday, and Friday is Furry Friends Friday. So let's have a little fun with this while we're all stuck at home. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Email me or drop in on Zoom during our live class period. Guys, this is going to be an adventure, but we're in this together and we can do this. So stay healthy. See you guys.